Hi, this is Julian Cortez, and I'm doing this video to show the functionalities of this web application that it allows you to sell and buy stock and keep track of them. So let's start with the register function. So let's try and put something, or let's not put anything, see what happens. And as expected, it doesn't let us create a username. So let's try creating a username that already exists. So there you go, username already taken. And lastly, let's try this time creating a username that does not exist, but let's not write the same passwords to show that it actually works. There you go. Now finally, let's actually and properly register. Sure, why not? And now let's log in. Okay, so this is our landing page, and you can see this is the amount of money we start with, which is $10,000. And we see all these different tabs here that I'm going to talk about each individually. So let's start with quote. So this one right here allows us to check the actual value of the stock. So let's try Amazon stock. And as you see, the current price is $2,275. So let's go back, or let's try again with maybe something that does not exist. I'm assuming that doesn't exist. So there you go, stock doesn't exist. Now, how about we start buying some stock? So we can buy some Snapchat shares. Those are pretty cheap, so let's try to buy 69 of them. As you see now, when we're taken back to the page, we have the symbol of the stock, the name of the company, the amount of shares we created, the price per share, and the total amount that was spent on it. This is the amount of cash we have remaining, and this will remain here as the amount we have invested so far in the app, even though we started with 10,000. So now let's try and let's just buy some more so we can see more of them there. Let's find some Netflix. If I try to put something that is not a number, it doesn't even let me input it. So we're safe there. So let's actually, this one's expensive. I think it is. So let's buy just 4 of them. There you go. So we bought 4 of them, and again, here's all the details of that transaction, and we can go to the history and check how many shares we have, the price. This is not how many shares we have. This is just the history of the transaction. So how many shares were bought, at what price, and what is the actual time that this transaction occurred. And lastly, we can go on ahead and try to sell some of those shares we have. And so far, we've only bought Netflix and Snapchat. So let's sell some Snapchat. Let's sell 21 of them. And boom, we're back. And now we have 21 less. We used to have 69. Now we have 21 only. So this is the total value of those 48. And again, this hasn't changed anything. And this is the amount of cash we have right now. And if we go to history, we can see that we started buying 69 shares of Snapchat, then buying 4 shares of Netflix, and lastly we sold, that's why it says minus 21 shares of Snapchat. The added functionality that I have here is we are able to add funds. So let's say we added $20,000, add funds, and notice that now we have $30,000 as a total investment, and we have $20,000 in cash. And that's it.